What's up, guys? Just wanted to give you guys a quick video to kind of show you what we're working on here in the shop with our 99 Miata drift car. It's wintertime here in the Chicago area, so we're in full swing of tearing the car apart and rebuilding it. We've had a lot of crazy ideas, and the students have a lot of ideas about what we're wanting to do. One of the main things is safety update. We had a 4-point roll bar that we built 2 years ago in the car. It did its job, never had to fully use it, but now we're getting a little more serious with the car. We're gonna be getting a roll cage set up from Advanced Auto Sports. They actually make roll cages for spec Miatas. They're one of the pioneers of the spec Miata world. They built hundreds, if not thousands, of these roll cage kits for Miata, so they know exactly where everything's at. We're getting all the bent parts from them, and then all the straight parts we'll fabricate here in the shop. Because really, when I looked into it, we have a bender, we have everything here, but just to buy the die that I needed for the bender is going to cost a little over half of what the bent parts of the cage are going to cost us, so it's a no-brainer to do that. In addition, you can kind of see here, we have pretty much the whole wire harness out of the, or we have all the whole wire harness out of the car. We're getting ready to take the turbo off. We have the windshields out. The full interior is out of the car. There's nothing really left there. Come around the back, we got the bumpers off. We cut the trunk filler out last year, thinking we were gonna do a rear mount radiator. We never got around to it. Probably gonna end up just putting a patch panel over for right now. But we need to go ahead and we gotta prep the car here for the cage, which I'm gonna hopefully be going to get tomorrow. And then we gotta install the cage. We're working on wiring solutions for how to wire the car. We're trying to do kind of a tuck with the wiring and all that stuff. Looking to maybe delete the vacuum booster because when you're left foot braking under boost, you start to run out of vacuum, and then you have inconsistent pedal feel, which is something you don't want to have. Eventually too, hopefully upgrade the intercooler. This is a CX Racing one that we got with the kit that we put on the car. It's a little bit on the smaller side per se. We got the front bumper and it hides up there so it doesn't get enough airflow, and it's also a tube and fin design, not the bar and plate, which doesn't work as efficiently. So that's just a quick little update here of what's going on in the shop, what we're working on. Hoping to get this car done by the end of February, and then we're actually partnering with the Patrick Dealer Group, and they're going to help us out getting the car set up for paint. We're going to do all the body work and prep here in the shop. They're actually going to let us go over to their body shop, and they're going to teach us how to, they're going to teach the students how to spray the car in a booth, and also let them, spray a lot of the other panels and stuff like that. Get this car looking primo, and then we should be debuting it at the Tuner Galleria show at the World of Wheels in Chicago here, March 9th. So just like I said, a quick little update. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. I'll try to answer as best I can. We're going to try and keep making some more content, showing you guys what we're doing, maybe some instructional things. So hopefully you can follow along. If you're following along already, thank you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, smash the thumbs down twice. Show me that you hated the video. We'll catch you next time.